Woodworking business magic. Now you can boost sales and skyrocket profits with these 10 secrets. Welcome all woodworking enthusiasts and aspiring entrepreneurs. If you ever wondered how to turn a passion for woodworking into a successful craft business, this video is for you. Secret 1. Understanding your customer. So, you've got this amazing knack for woodworking, but where do you start with a craft business? Well, first things first. You start by understanding your customer. What's the secret? It's all about catering to your market. Creating what people want and are happy to pay for is crucial to your success in business. Secret 2. Inside product knowledge. You need to know your woods, the finishes, and the techniques you deploy, inside out. Why? Because this knowledge is the key to creating top-notch, unique crafts from wood that'll have customers coming back for more. Good customers often appreciate learning about what goes into your quality handcrafted items. Secret 3. Effective communication. Communication is everything. Chat with your customers in a relaxed, non-salesy way. Ask the right questions, and offer suggestions that'll make them feel like they're part of the creative process. Provide options wherever you can and make your customers feel special, so they'll be glad they had this interaction with you. Secret 4. Building relationships. Connecting with people and building relationships is the heart of your craft business. Engaging your customers, and offering personalized items or custom options helps keep them coming back for more of your amazing woodwork. Secret 5. Handling objections. Objections? No problem. With well-made, solid wood crafts, a common objection is price. Address concerns about prices and convince customers that your crafts are worth every penny. For example, you don't price your items cheaply due to your hand selection process when choosing woods, the craftsmanship of quality joinery, or the hand-rubbed finish painstakingly applied. Overcome any objection to price by emphasizing the care, commitment, and extra time that goes into everything you craft. Secret 6. Closing techniques. It's important to learn how to sell without being overly aggressive. Carefully listen to what prospects and customers are saying. Master closing techniques that can help seal the deal by including an exclusive discount, or add-on, like free delivery. Another proven technique is to bundle items together into a package deal that'll make your customers more willing to purchase today, due to the added value they get. Secret 7. Merchandising and presentation. Presentation is everything. How you display your wooden creations at craft fairs, exhibitions, or online can help make them utterly irresistible to buyers. Don't go after the cheapest possible displays. That only devalues your products. Add beauty and elegance in a way that highlights your fine and distinctive pieces. Secret 8. Customer service. Excellent customer service keeps them coming back for more. While good service seems harder to come by at larger businesses these days, it's an essential component for emerging woodworking entrepreneurs to help ensure success. Always provide the best post-purchase support you can to help keep your customers happy. Secret 9. Adaptation to trends. Woodworking is always evolving. What sold really well a few years back might not sell at all today, so you need to be adaptable. Keep up with trends in the market and incorporate the latest design elements into your crafts. Secret 10. Sales ethics. Build a reputation for fairness, reliability and honesty, and more people will want to buy from you. Retaining transparency in your craft business can help to build trust with your customers. There are your 10 keys to a successful woodworking crafts business. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out our other videos for more useful woodworking profit tips and tricks. Happy crafting!